Hi everybody, your CAT response sheet has just been released, all right? So to access that, you can just go into the registered candidate login over here, which would take you to this page. Just put in your user ID and password and the CAPTCHA over here, and you would be getting a tab which is not visible right now on the screen over here, right? So once you click on that, the response sheet, it's going to open out like this. Now, all you need to do is to copy the link which is given at the top of the page and go to the CAT Percentile Predictor, which is there on mockat.com. You can access it from the home page, or you can click on the link given in the description below. You just need to paste your response sheet URL over here, and you check your percentile, and you'll get a predicted percentile. It's expected to be close to the actual percentile. There will, of course, be slight differences in the actual and the predicted percentile. That is expected, given that we're working with a smaller sample as compared to the total population of the CAT test writers, right? So just check it out, and do reach out to us in case there are any issues you're facing with this. All the best.